Hi guys, welcome to my channel. iPhone locked? Forgot your passcode? Don't panic, you're not alone. Even Johnny Ive probably forgot his code once. Today I will show you all the working ways to reset your iPhone, from quick fix to advanced methods. By the way, all these methods are free and you don't need to buy any additional software. Watch till the end. The last method might be the one that works. While we are getting started, please like and click the bell. It's nothing for you, but it's nice for me. Method number 1. Use your old passcode. If you recently changed your passcode, you have a 72-hour window to use your previous code and reset the one new. Here's how. Enter the wrong passcode several times until you see iPhone unavailable. Tap Forgot passcode at the bottom. Choose Enter previous passcode. Enter your old code and set a new one. Only works within 72 hours after changing the passcode. Requires iOS 17 or later. And voila! Method number 2. Reset directly on iPhone. If you remember your account Apple and have internet access, you can erase the iPhone right from the lock screen. Available since iOS 15.2 and newer. Enter the wrong passcode several times until you see iPhone unavailable. Tap Forgot passcode, then choose iPhone reset. Enter the password from your Apple account. Your iPhone will erase and restart. Then you can set it up again. Requires internet connection and Find My iPhone to be enabled. Attention break. If you have made it this far, you clearly care about unlocking your device. Hit like, tap the bell, and don't miss more helpful videos. Method number 3. Reset using a computer. No account Apple or no internet? No worries, use a computer. Here's what you will need. On Mac, use the built-in Finder, available on macOS Catalina or newer. On Windows, download the new Apple Device app from the Microsoft Store. This app replaced iTunes for managing iPhones on Windows. Apple Device support will install automatically if needed. Steps. Connect your iPhone to computer with a cable. Cable must be original. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. If you have an iPhone from Model 8 to Model 17 or newer, you must press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button or power until you see the recovery mode screen. Here is. Here it is. If you have an iPhone 7, 7 Plus models, you must press and hold the power and volume down buttons at the same until you see the recovery mode screen. Here is it. If you have an iPhone 5, 5S, iPhone SE, iPhone 6, 6S Plus, press and hold the power and home buttons at the same until you see the recovery mode screen. Here it is. In your computer, a window will appear. Choose Restore. Then click Restore and Update. Accept the terms. Wait for the process to finish. Your iPhone will reset and be ready for setup. And now the most important part. If Find My iPhone was enabled, after the reset you will still need to enter the data of your Apple account. If it was disabled, the process is much easier. No account Apple, and you can reset up the iPhone as new. And voila! If you don't know how to set up an iPhone after resetting the password, write in the comments and we will make a new video for you. Now you know all the current ways to reset any iPhone. If this helped, give a thumbs up, subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you very much for you watch this video and you helped me. See you later and bye bye.